Hi, you're welcome to GMats Class. Now let's look at this problem. What is the last digit of 673 raised to the power of 892? What is going to be the last digit when you simplify this? The last digit. Okay, so how do you do this? Now look at the base of the number. Pick the last digit of the base. The last digit of the base is 3. Alright, so we now begin to look for pattern of 3 raised to the power of n. So we begin to increase this in mode 10. Right, so we have 3 raised to the power of 1 in mode 10 is still going to give you 3. Okay, 3 raised to the power of 2 in mode 10, that is 9. 9 in mode 10 is still 9. 3 raised to the power of 3 in mode 10. This is going to give you 27. And 27 in mode 10, that's going to give you 7. Right? Because we are only writing the remainder. So 27 divided by 10, that is 2, remainder 7. So this is going to be 7. All of these are in mode 10. Mode 10. Mode 10. Okay, now let's look at another one. We have 3 raised to the power of 4 in mode 10. So 3 raised to the power of 4, that is going to be 81. 81. So 81 in mode 10. So it's going to be 1. Because we have 81 divided by 10. It's going to give you 1. It's going to give you 8, sorry, remainder 1. So 1 is the answer. So we continue until we have another number 3. So if we have 3 raised to the power of 5, that is going to give you 243. Right? So now when you look at this, when you divide this one by 10, the remainder is going to be 3 because that's the last number. So that's the last digit. So the remainder is 3. So you have 3. So when you continue, you have 9, 7, 1. So you will have this pattern of number. You have 3, 9, 7, 1. Right now, so the meaning of this now is by the time we simplify this, one of these is going to be the last digit because this is a pattern of a number that is ending with 3, and that is the more reason why we have to look at different powers. So, and we have gotten all possible last digits. It's either 3, 9, 7, and 1. All right. So now the length of this is 4, and that is the same thing as the modulo. All right. So after doing this, you come here. Look at the power we have here. That is 892. Okay, so the length here is the same thing as the mode. So you write the mode 4. So you look for this number in mode 4. So how do we do that? That is when you divide this by 4, what is going to be the remainder? Right, so let's do that. So we have 4 times, we have 4 goes in 8, that's 2. 4 goes in 9, that's 2, remainder 1. So 4 goes in 12, that is going to be 3. So the remainder is 0. So in mode 4. So that means 892 is 0 mode 4. All right. So now we are now in the last stage. Now, how do we now know which of these? How do we know the last digit for this question? Now, this first number we have here is the first possible last digit. This is the second. This is the third. And this is the fourth. All right. So this is 1, 2, 3, and this is going to be 0. When you are in modulo 4, the highest digit you are going to have is going to be 3. So after 3, you don't have 4 again, you have what? 0. So this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 0. So that means that 1 is going to be the last digit. So 1 is the last digit of this number. I want to believe we have learned one or two things. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please try and do that. Share this video with your friends. Thanks.